Hey everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are making baked salmon with avocado salad and garlic butter. So the first thing that we've done is we're going to bake some salmon. I've just brushed it lightly with some olive oil and seasoned it with salt and pepper, and then we're going to put it into a 180-degree preheated oven for 15 minutes. While the salmon is cooking, we're going to go ahead and make our avocado salad. So we've got our avocado, and we're just going to throw all of these ingredients into a bowl and mix them all together. We then have some cherry tomatoes. And you don't have to make this with salmon, you can also make it with chicken or another type of fish. I've just gone ahead and thrown in my red onion, my finely chopped red onion. Then we're going to add some salt and pepper. And we're going to finish that off with some lemon or lime juice and olive oil. So the reason I make these videos is because I want to show people that cooking at home is it doesn't have to be time consuming, it doesn't have to be expensive, and you can end up with some really healthy, nutritious, great food that you've made at home without having to, think that takeaway is cheaper than just making something at home. These dishes come together in under 20 minutes. We really enjoy eating them, and I want to share them with you so that you know that you can make them at home without feeling like after a busy day at work you need to go and order takeaway. So there's our avocado salad. We're going to go ahead and put that in the fridge while our salmon is still baking, and we're going to move on to make our garlic butter. So here I've got some softened butter. To that I'm going to go ahead and add some crushed garlic. You can stop here, but I always like to add a little bit of parsley as well. I buy these little packets of lightly dried, and I keep them in the freezer because they last so much longer in the freezer than they do if you just kept them in the fridge. And we're just going to mix that all together, set it aside, and wait until our salmon is cooked. And here we go, we can get serving. So in under 20 minutes, it's ready and on the table. We're going to take our salmon fillet. Now, you might think salmon is really expensive, but I only serve about 120 to 130 grams per person for their portion. The next thing we're going to do is add our avocado salad and top our salmon with garlic butter, which is one of Matt's favorites. And then we're going to serve it up. So if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!